On this video clip I wanted to show the importance of carrying out surveys and demonstrations for our clients here at Floor Restore Oxford Limited. This is a marble floor in a conservatory where they've had rust marks created by those lamps and condensation. We will be able to polish those out with diamond pads. The floor is 20 years old, it has never been professionally cleaned. Only ever been cleaned with bleach and flash. The grout lines and tiles in general are in poor condition and are very dirty. You'll see here our demonstration area where we have managed to clean the grout lines to a more than acceptable level, and the marble tile itself to a more than acceptable level. When this work is complete, we will post this the updated video to the internet so that you can see the results for yourself.